Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to unblock someone on Telegram using the latest app version. Whether you blocked someone by mistake or just changed your mind, the process is simple and only takes a minute. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon. On most devices, this is the three horizontal lines in the top corner of the screen. This will open up the main navigation menu. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your account, including privacy options. Now, inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security and tap on it. This section lets you manage who can contact you and view your information. Once you're in Privacy and Security, find and select Blocked Users. Here you'll see a list of all the contacts you've blocked on Telegram. Scroll through the list and tap on the contact you want to unblock. When you open their profile, you'll see the option to unblock them. Simply tap Unblock User and that's it. The person is now unblocked and can message you again. Keep in mind, once you unblock someone, they won't automatically know they were blocked before, but they will be able to contact you like normal. And that's all there is to it. Quick, easy, and done in just a few taps. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more simple tutorials like this.